What's up, guys? Justin here with the RenderingEssentials.com. So massive news today. I woke up to an email this morning saying that Chaos Group and Enscape are merging together. So in the email, they basically say that Chaos Group and Enscape are going to be joining forces. They're going to be merging together into a single company. And so they are both going to be operating under the Chaos umbrella, meaning that Chaos will be the overall company that owns both programs. So if you go to either Enscape or Chaos Group's websites, you can see how they've both put out a blog post stating that this is in fact accurate and that they are going to be merging together as a company. Now, that being said, based on everything I can read in here, it looks like things will continue operating as they are, meaning Enscape looks like they're going to be operating as Enscape still. Chaos Group will still have their products, so V-Ray, and then also like Corona Render, other things like that. So it looks like the merger probably is more to create a more complete pipeline of programs that come together. I don't really have all of that information right now. There's only a press release available, which I will link to in the notes down below. It does say that the CEO of Chaos and the CEO of Enscape share the title of co-CEO. So it doesn't really seem like this is like somebody acquiring somebody else or anything like that. It seems like a true merger from everything that I'm reading. As of right now, we don't have any information on the plans moving forward, meaning we don't know if the product offerings are going to change or stay the same. There's no information about that right now. It's very early. So I'll keep an eye on the situation. I'll make another video if something else changes. But this is massive, interesting news inside of the rendering space. I think this is a great move for Chaos as it brings in Enscape, who I think brings some of that user friendliness to the table that maybe you lose in something like V-Ray just because it's so complex. So now they have an offering where they have the simplicity and also the power of Enscape, as well as V-Ray, which gives you more of the path tracing type capabilities, as well as the flexibility to do what you want. So I'm interested to see what this does to everything long term. So in order to see what the long-term ramifications of this are, you're just going to have to wait and see. So in the meantime, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Like I said, it doesn't look like either company is like going away or anything like that. It looks like the products are going to continue. They're just merging together into an overall company. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this development. If you think it's good, I just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.